choose one of us to make cookies with.
Hey, little chef. You help me make some more delicious word cookies. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's get started. First, F, L, P, turn. Flip, flip. Oh, that smells delicious. Oh, come to cookie. That's it. It's working. Cowabunga. It flip. That cookie acrobat. This time, me gonna try this. F, L, P. Now, add you letter. Flop, flop. Yeah, that's it. Oh, mean it no finish. Keep mixing. Come to cookie. It beautiful. Edit, flop. Me no can wait to flop down and eat more cookies. Hey, how about this? S, N, P. Go for it. Snip. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's terrific. Oh boy, me no can wait. Oh, here, me help you. It beautiful. Edit, snip. Oh, who snipped that cookie? Yeah, that less cookie for me to eat. Oh yeah, me go first. S, N, P. Go for it. Snap. Yeah, that's it. Oh boy, me no can wait. Oh, here, me help you mix cookie. Holy cannoli. Edit, snap. Me snap this cookie in half. Oh boy, delicious word cookies ready to eat. You can eat cookies yourself by tapping on it. But why you want to do that? Oh, yeah. So drag cookies over to me. Flip. No. Flop. No. Snip. No. Snap. All the cookies for me. Thank you, little chef. Quick, we got to make more cookies for you. And for me, some more cookies.